Need for our national language. Introduction. India is a vast nation, but it is a matter of concern that even more than 70 years of independence, there is no one language which can unite the whole nation. Effects of the absence of a national language. Many different languages are spoken in different states, and people who speak different languages live there. According to the Constitution of India, there are a number of recognized languages but no national language. However, it causes a great hindrance in uniting the country as there are chances of miscommunication when translating from one language to another. What a national language should be. A national language will have some variations in different areas of the country. Secondly, it should be rich. It should have an ability to express itself in the subjects of culture, religion, philosophy, literature, science, etc. Its vocabulary should be highly rich and vast. It should be easy to follow. Changes in the language should be acceptable according to changes in time. Hindi satisfies all these conditions. Arguments for English. It is argued that English should be considered for the national language as it is an international language and is spoken throughout the world. It is convenient for the people of every country to use it. Unfortunately, it is very difficult to learn correct English due to rules, the grammar, which have numerous exceptions. Hindi's popularity. Sanskrit-based languages such as Hindi are easier to learn. In fact, due to the popularity of Bollywood films, most people in India understand Hindi fairly well. Conclusion. If our standard national curriculum for teaching Hindi in schools is implemented all over India, within a few years, Hindi will automatically become our national language.